In this video, I'm going to show you how to play Minecraft Bedrock with PlayStation controller. So what you need to do is simply go and open any browser that you have. In the browser, go and look for DS for Windows. So let's type Windows and hit the enter button. Once you do so, click on the first link and make sure to go and click on download. Once you click on download again. And a download should start and click on save. For me, it's already downloaded. So once this is downloaded, as an example, you should find this here. All you need to do, just go, of course, make sure to extract it first. For you, it's better. For me, I'm going to delete it after that. So here you'll have to go and run the DS4 downloader. For me, already enter that and run it. That's why I have two. For you, you should find just 1.exe. Just go and run that. And once you run it, as an example, you will have, or it should open right away, like this one. So here you will have to pick where you want the profile settings to be saved, like in the program folder or app data. From I'm just going to choose program folder. Here you'll have to choose which controller you have. You have a PS4 controller, DualSense controller, Switch Pro, Joy-Con, or PS3 controller. So choose the one that suits your needs. If you have all of them, you can check them all. So for me, let's say an example, I have PS4, and I'm just going to click on close. So for you, if it's your first time, you'll find an install button at the top. And you'll have just to go and click on that install button. Once it's installed, you'll have, of course, to wait until it's installed, and you should find yourself like this with start option here. So you can go and click on start option, and you'll have now to go and plug your controller with a wire or wireless. I'm not sure if it's gonna work with wireless. I've never tested it, to be honest, but wire, it will work for sure. So once you click on start and connect your controller, something should appear here, and your controller should start working or should start controlling even your mouse and the keyboard. Now you can go to your Minecraft Bedrock and you should be able to start playing with your controller example without any problems. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.